Ever wake up feeling like your hands are throwing a tingly tantrum or your legs forgot how to march? Trust me, you're not alone. Aging can feel like your body's playing a prank on you. But here's the secret. There's a natural way to fight back, and it's hiding in your kitchen. Stick with me to discover 5 veggies that can help you move better, feel stronger, and maybe even outsmart Father Time. Curious? Let's dive in. If you're over 60, you've probably noticed your joints creaking like an old rocking chair or your hands buzzing with that annoying pins and needles feeling. It's frustrating, right? Here's the thing. One sneaky cause behind this is collagen loss. By age 65, most of us lose about 30% of our collagen, that protein keeping your joints cushioned, nerves calm, and muscles steady. But don't worry, you don't need fancy supplements. Nature's got your back with simple vegetables that can help rebuild collagen naturally. Today I'm sharing 5 that every senior should pile on their plate. Oh, and if you're loving these tips, hit that subscribe button. It means the world to us. Let's kick things off with spinach. Yes, the humble green that Popeye swore by. Spinach is packed with magnesium, which your body needs to repair nerves and boost collagen production. A 2018 study from Harvard Medical School found magnesium helps muscles relax, cutting down those pesky leg cramps that sneak up at night. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach also delivers vitamin A, folate, and iron. Nutrients that keep your energy up and circulation flowing. Try tossing it into a morning omelet or a fresh salad a few times a week. It's so easy and your body will thank you. Next up, parsley. Don't just push this garnish to the side of your plate. Parsley is a collagen superstar because it's bursting with vitamin C. A 2020 Mayo Clinic report says vitamin C is critical for weaving collagen fibers that support your joints, skin, and blood vessels. Without it, your body's like a carpenter without nails. Plus, parsley's antioxidants can calm nerve inflammation, easing that tingly feeling in your hands. I love chopping fresh parsley over soups or blending it into a smoothie for a zesty kick. Give it a try. It's like a secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Before we move on, here's a quick tip. Consistency is key. You don't need to eat these veggies every day. Just a few times a week can make a difference. I started adding 1 or 2 to my meals, and within weeks, I noticed my knees weren't as creaky. Small changes, big wins. Now let's talk about kale. I know it's the poster child for healthy eating, but there's a reason for that. Kale's loaded with vitamin K, which a 2019 WHO study linked to better blood flow. Good circulation means oxygen and nutrients reach your joints and muscles, keeping them happy. Kale also has lutein, an antioxidant that protects your eyes and skin. Both rely on collagen for strength. Add kale to soups or smoothies, or even bake it into crispy chips. It's a game changer for stiffness and low energy. Number 4 is beets, those vibrant red roots that look like they mean business. Beets are rich in nitrates, which naturally widen blood vessels. A 2021 study from the Journal of Nutrition showed nitrates improve circulation, helping nutrients reach your nerves and joints faster. That means your body can actually use the collagen it builds. Beets also fight inflammation, which is a big win for achy legs or hands. Roast them for a sweet side dish or toss them into a salad. They're versatile and honestly kind of fun to cook with. And for our final veggie, a surprise, red bell peppers. Bet you didn't see that coming. These guys have more vitamin C than an orange, and a 2022 study from the National Institutes of Health confirms vitamin C is a collagen-building must. Red peppers also pack carotenoids, which protect existing collagen from breaking down. That's a double win for smoother skin, sharper vision, and less tingling in your hands or legs. Slice them into stir fries, snack on them raw, or stuff them for a colorful dinner. They're as tasty as they are powerful. So, there you have it. 5 simple, affordable veggies to help rebuild collagen, boost circulation, and get you moving with confidence. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. I remember my mom struggling with stiff joints until she started adding spinach and beets to her meals. Now she's out gardening again, and it warms my heart to see her so active. Which veggie are you excited to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and your stories inspire me. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who could use a boost. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video with more natural health tips to help you thrive.